Sea has assumed great geopolitical significance in the present context. South China Sea has assumed great geopolitical significance. Geopolitical राजनीतिक significance in the present context. South China has assumed great geopolitical significance. South China Sea in the present context रे comment करो geopolitical significance. पृथ्वीर political राजनीतिक significance यथातथा कौन? Region consisting largely uninhabited island जेटी बास करती कम consisting largely uninhabited island surrounding waters and regularly contested by nearby countries. Regularly contested हुए China, Vietnam, Philippines, Vietnam, Malaysia, Taiwan, Brunei. The last few couple of years रे it has become very significant in the last very couple of years. It has become very significant in geopolitical rivalries. Geopolitical rivalry माने प्रतिद्वंदिता rivalries of world because of its expected natural reserves. Geopolitical rivalries of world because of its expected natural reserves. Because of its expected natural reserves अच्छी. Because of it expect आशा करा होची natural reserves as well as the strategic advantage they could provide जो क्वेश्चन थे natural reserves as well as the strategic advantages and that export of trades they easily to access South Asian countries with it is a trade route which connected South Asian nations to Indian Ocean with the Pacific Oceans by Australian continent and west of the American South and North American continent सहित connect करछि. Region the South China Sea has gained significance कौन claims होछि over island groups island group माने especially partial and partly would provide sovereignty over the surroundings. Claims करछन कोन economic zone exclusive economic zone which would be great economic values as this large reserves of oil और gas अच्छी थी oil और gas अच्छी economic zone होची exclusive economic zone partial and partly would provide sovereignty जो कही दोची would provide sovereignty over the surrounding exclusive economic zone स्वतंत्र अर्थनैतिक अंचल huge amount of trade especially coal from Australia आछि Indonesia passes from Australia to Indonesia passes through this region. Trade especially coal sovereignty over South China Sea would provide control over regional trade routes such as the Malacca. Sovereignty over South China Sea रे sovereignty अच्छी जो तो control over regional trade route आंचलिक trade route होची such as Malacca, Indian Ocean and the South China Sea. Claims over these zones would automatically bring the sovereignty over the fishing right. Claims question these zones automatically bring sovereignty over fishing right anuchi over fishing right ମାଛ ଧରା a great economic booster होची for the marine industry ପାଇଁ great economic booster. Large oil and natural gases already exist अच्छी but also fishing industry already booster the economy marine industry great economic booster for the marine industry ପାଇଁ their main issue होची between Philippines, Vietnam and Indonesia. South China Sea is the main issue between the Philippines, Indonesia and South China Sea. And Indonesia and Philippines tussle for a hegemony between USA China. USA और China विषय hegemony चलती जो द्वंद्वात्मक strong partnership of USA with the Philippines and its policy of a big pivot to Asia which is mainly to curb the growing power of China. Curtail the power by curb करे चाहूँची काटिया चाहूँची कर्व करने चाहूँची the main power spread of the power of China in the Asia Pacific region have led to increased militarization in the sea. Militarization in the sea which is a constant reason for upsetting China. Philippines and its policy of a big stick. USA Trans-Pacific Partnership USA और Pacific Partnership अमेरिका प्रशांत महासागर पार्टनरशिप जोटा अमेरिका प्रशांत महासागर पार्टनरशिप that includes many countries within the region is mainly aimed at undermining Chinese ability. USA Trans-Pacific US अमेरिका और प्रशांत महासागर पार्टनरशिप that includes many countries within the region मध्य is mainly aimed at undermining Chinese ability. Undermine करछि Chinese रो दक्षता to manifest. Undermine करिया पे कि US Pacific Partnership regional power. Therefore, it has become a matter of a great concern for USA. USA Trans-Pacific Partnership होछि aimed at undermining करछि Chinese ability to manifest करिया पे undermine dominate करिया पे undermine the Chinese ability. The result of the dispute may influence of the future of the world order. The result of dispute may influence the future of world order. The conception of a might is right. बड़ा जार राज्य तार. Triumph over the liberal. जय होछि liberal विरुद्ध रे. Might is right. Rules based order is going to determinate for the future of region. Might for right. Liberal triumph over liberal over triumph rules based order. Strategic over होछि island control over island over enhance body with the maritime defense. Maritime island over कोटा South China Sea control over island जदि control करियो enhance the maritime defense attack capabilities of the controlling power which would be pretty crucial in times of war युद्ध समय रे control over the island रे enhance body of maritime defense सामुद्रिक defense and attack capabilities दक्षता बढ़िबो of the controlling power which would be pretty crucial in times of war crucial मुख्य हबो war युद्ध समय रे there is a prospect of use of this region use करिया पे for space exploration and अंतरिक्ष exploration as China has decided करिछि to make a deep sea space station गभीर समुद्र space station due to strategic location island at the time of war a strategic war capabilities and maritime defense stronger habo crucial time at the war zone but also another region hochi use of this region for space exploration by अंतरिक्ष exploration by as China decide करछि to deep sea space station करिया पे गभीर समुद्र space station India's take at the face might appear that is no interest of India to have stake in this growing geopolitics पृथ्वी politics रे इंडिया चाहुनी stake हबाकू India to have stake अंश हबाकू in the growing geopolitics region but its stake is ever important दरकार not only because of Act East policy India Vietnamese joint oil and gas exploration व्यवहार करिवे in the region but also India aspiring to get United Nations Security Council by United Nations get Security Council permanent seat she must show the world that she is not just a mere spectator she केवल गोटे mere spectator आखि दृश्य देखना है नो therefore shares concern over such important matters share करछि concern over such important matters unfolding in Asia Pacific not only mere spectator but also sharing is unfolding shares concern shares ideologies and share its impact and open dialogue with the South China Sea countries concern over such important matters. Thus SCS जो South China Sea emerging is an issue that will impact करियो not only the power of balance, तार balance को impact करियोनी world order को मध्य world रो जो order अच्छी impact of power balance, world order, world रो power balance को power रो balance, world order को मध्य hampering करियो influence करियो. Also India place in it. जदियो एयर डिफेंस सिस्टम टा जदियो एयर डिफेंस सिस्टम and mistake technology have raised air defense system and missile technology have raised a question over the importance of the control over sea. Air defense system and missile technology have put a question over importance of the control over sea. The importance of sea has maintained a relevance cheap business pathway. सस्ता business pathway मध्ये एटा. Huge consumption of oil, जो होची mineral resources and blue economy are the crucial dynamics of geopolitics and strategy. Crucial dynamics होची मुख्यतः dynamics होची कोन consumption of oil gases huge consumption होची of oil mineral resources consumption हो mineral resources key business pathway एटा. This makes South China Sea extremely significant कारण huge consumption of oil mineral resources and blue economy are the crucial dynamics of geopolitical and strategy. Huge consumption or cheap business pathway, huge consumption of oil mineral resources.